Unlocking perspectives, mastering types of point of view. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on critical reading strategies. Today we're going to focus on a key aspect of critical reading, understanding point of view. It's important to understand who is speaking or narrating in a text because it greatly influences how the information is presented. Let's dive into the different types of point of view. Our first type is first-person point of view. This is when the story or piece of writing is told from the perspective of an individual who is directly experiencing the events. When the narrator uses words like I, me, or we, you can be sure it's a first-person perspective. This point of view can give a text a personal, intimate feeling, but remember, it's limited to the narrator's own experiences and perceptions. Next up is the second-person point of view. This is less common in literature, but you'll find it in pieces of writing where the author speaks directly to the reader, using pronouns like you and your. This point of view can make the reader feel like they're part of the story or argument. Lastly, we have the third-person point of view. This is where the narrator is not a character in the story, but an observer of events. There are two types: third-person limited, where the narrator knows the thoughts and feelings of only one character, and third-person omniscient, where the narrator knows the thoughts and feelings of all characters. This point of view uses pronouns like he, she, they, and it. You might wonder, why is understanding point of view so important? Well, the point of view can greatly influence how we perceive the events of a text. The same story can look very different if told from another perspective. By recognizing the point of view, we can get a more nuanced understanding of what we read. That's it for today's lesson. I hope this overview of the different types of point of view has helped deepen your understanding of this crucial aspect of reading comprehension. Remember, the more you practice identifying these, the more naturally it will come to you. So, keep reading, keep exploring, and keep learning. See you in our next video.